Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing good. Welcome back with another new video tutorial. In this video, I will tell you about the debugging in your device Vivo Y55 and Y55 5G. So if in this device you want to enable the feature of debugging, or you want to use the debugging, or you can say you want to debug your device, you can easily do it by the method as I will tell you in this video. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn about the debugging in your device.